The lesson learned is to not repeat the past. Build processes that safeguard you from similar failures in the future. At my company, we learned the hard way to minimize float for our clients. When our largest client went bankrupt, the float we extended got written off, and nearly put us out of business. Because of that experience, we have systems in place to prevent a repeat. Fail fast, analyze, learn and move forward. Not getting bogged down by failures and accepting that failure is one of the most powerful opportunities to learn and grow faster is key. I highly recommend reflecting on the failure objectively, identifying gaps and learning from it. Conducting business is about being lean, performing trials, and embracing the errors. Quite simply, you don't get better at something unless you do it. A failed business attempt usually brings about the realization that the best philosophy in life is not to obsess with the end, but rather the means to the end. As long as you bring joy to everything you do, there will be plenty of growth in failure. Trying things out and failing at them in a short period of time, often known as failing fast, is a brilliant learning experience. However, different cultures accept failures in different ways. In Asia, failing means a loss of face, and is just unacceptable, whereas it's part of the entrepreneurial journey in the US. Personally, I find it a brilliant and inexpensive learning experience. Look at what you failed at. Locate the weak link, adjust and try again. Business is all about a never-ending cycle of optimization and tweaking. Use failures to guide your optimization. A truth of life is that someone will need to be foolish for wisdom to continue to have value. There is a characterization of success that is incomplete without the fact of failures. We don't outgrow warfare, we simply learn to fight. At that level, defeat is a tool for building newness if we focus on the lessons. There is no visionary that knew success and knew not failure first. Failing is part of growing. As you pursue entrepreneurship, always keep in mind that chances are if you don't study and learn the business you will fail. Take time to organize your thoughts, realize what you did wrong, and embrace change. Anyone can succeed, but it all comes down to how badly you really want it.